coming to the base of your mat, we'll reach up. Exhale, folding forward. We'll walk our hands out to a cat. A couple of cat rolls. And bring the forearms down. We'll come into this forearm plank. Squeeze the thighs together, lift the navel, extend the spine, and breathe. Now lower all the way. Sphinx. Keep the forearms where they are. Resting the head, bend the knees, windshield wiper the feet. And then hands will come under the shoulders. We press back through the cat and back to downward facing dog. So downward facing dog, eventually our heels will come all the way to the floor. I'm aware that that might not be the case today. Don't worry. Okay? If the heels are up, that's fine. Try to straighten the legs though. Straighten the elbows, drop the head. And then we'll walk, walk, walk back to the feet. If you need to bend the knees, go ahead. Then we're going to tuck the chin, roll it up. Inhale. Gathering space. Exhale, pull it down. One more just like that. Inhale. Exhale, folding forward. My feet are apart. Head up, we walk, 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 walk. Walk to the cats. Coming down to the forearms. My forearms are parallel to each other. I'm pressing my wrists into the floor and then straighten the legs. Lift the navel. Shoot sparks out of the heels and hold. Drop the tail and lift the navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We lower. Sphinx. Exhale. Windshield wiper. Lower the legs. Hands come under the shoulders. Pressing back. Downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Drop the head. Straighten the knees. Straighten the elbows. And then walking the dog back. You can bend the knees. Tuck the chin. Rolling up. Inhale. We'll take one more. Just like that. Reaching up. Exhale. Folding forward. Hands come to the floor. Walk, walk, walk into the cat. And then right into forearm plank. Building your strength. Building, building, building. Lifting the navel, lifting the inner thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower. Sphinx. And lower down. Windshield wiper.